Hello there and welcome back to another gluten-free, yeast-free baking video. How are we doing today? Today I'm going to be making gluten-free lemon cupcakes. I made these as a tray bake and I absolutely love the flavour, so I wanted to make a cupcake version. So, you'll be needing the following equipment: scales, 2 tablespoons or whatever you're going to use to get your cupcake mixture into your cupcake cases, and some spray oil. A cake tester, a skewer, a toothpick or a teaspoon handle just to make sure your cupcakes are cooked. A large mixing bowl, a spatula, a grater or a zester, a wooden spoon or an electric hand whisk, 12 cupcake cases, a 12-hole muffin or cupcake tray, and a cooling rack. You will also be needing the following ingredients: 150 grams of butter softened to room temperature. I like to use lactose-free butter. 150 grams of caster sugar, 2 medium-sized eggs beaten, 150 grams of gluten-free self-raising flour, and the zest of 1 lemon. So, let's go! First things first, measure out all of your ingredients so that they're completely ready for you to use, and then preheat your oven to 180 degrees C on a conventional oven, 160 degrees C on a fan oven, or gas mark 4. Now it is time to prepare our tray, so for this you will be needing your 12 cupcake cases and your 12-hole muffin or cupcake tray. So now we are just going to put 12 cupcake cases into our cupcake tray. Oh, that one just spat at me. Making sure that there are no doubles. So now that this is done, set this off to the side until we're ready to bake. Now that we've done all that nasty prep work, it is now time to begin actually making our cupcakes. So for this you are going to be needing your butter, your caster sugar, your spatula, your large mixing bowl, and your wooden spoon or electric hand whisk. So we're going to place all of our butter into our mixing bowl. And now we're going to sprinkle on our caster sugar. Sprinkle, sprinkle. So now we're going to mix these together until they are light and fluffy. Now that this is done, grab your eggs. Now we're just going to tip these in one big go, making sure to get all of them in. And now we're going to mix this together until it creates a nice smooth batter. This is really important, as if there are lumps of butter left in your cake mixture, they will create air pockets in your cakes, and I think mixing this together as much as we do makes the cakes lighter and fluffier in the first place. So let's get on with it, shall we? Now that this is done and looking lovely and smooth, grab your flour. Now we are going to, mixing all the time, add a little bit of our flour to our main mixture until the flour is fully combined. Do you need to be here? Now that this is done, grab your lemon zest. So now we're going to add our lemon zest to our mixture in one big go. I'm leaving that in. So now we're just going to mix this all together until the lemon zest is well distributed in our mixture. So now we're just going to scrape down the sides of our mixing bowl, so we don't lose any of that lovely mixture. And now we're going to mix one final time for good luck. So now that this is all done, we are going to grab our prepared cupcake or muffin tray, our tablespoons or whatever you're going to use to get your cupcake mixture into your cupcake cases, and your spray oil. So now we are just going to get our tablespoon full of mixture. Remove the lid from our spray oil. Give our cupcake case a quick spritz of the spray oil. 1, 2. And then we are going to quickly move our mixture into the cupcake case. And it's as simple as that. So now that this is all done, we are going to place our cupcakes into our preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes, or until you insert a cake tester, a skewer, a toothpick or a teaspoon handle and it comes out completely clean. After that time, we are going to leave them in their trays and place the tray onto a cooling rack for 10 minutes. And then after that time, we're going to take our cupcakes out of their cupcake tray, placing them onto the cooling rack to cool completely. And that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't, including the recipe for these lovely cupcakes and my shop, where you will be able to buy all of the flour and equipment you will need for this recipe. If you do make these at home, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag bakingwithvickiie so that I can see all your lovely creations. Let me know in the comments of anything else you'd like to see me make, gluten or yeast free, as I do both. And finally, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!